Check your pantry right now. What secret does your can of tuna hold? Is it packed in oil or water, light tuna or albacore? These distinctions matter far more than most people realize, especially for adults over 50. The choices you make about something as simple as canned tuna can significantly impact your health, from your cardiovascular system to your brain function. That dusty can sitting on your shelf might be silently affecting your well-being. In this video, I'll help you decode the labels, understand the real risks and benefits, and develop a practical approach to incorporating this convenient protein source into your diet safely. The choices you make today can change your health tomorrow. When you reach for that can of tuna in your pantry, you're making a more complex nutritional choice than you might realize, especially after age 50. That simple can actually represent a nutritional balancing act that deserves closer attention as your body's needs evolve with age. For seniors facing the challenge of maintaining muscle mass while appetites diminish, canned tuna offers an impressive 20-25 grams of high-quality protein in just a 3-ounce serving. This complete protein contains all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own, playing a critical role in combating sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss that affects mobility and independence. Imagine days when cooking feels overwhelming. This simple can offer a reliable protein boost with minimal preparation. Reading labels carefully is essential, as nutritional profiles vary significantly between varieties. Water-packed tuna contains approximately 73 calories and just 1 gram of fat per serving, making it ideal for weight management. Think of it as premium fuel that's light on your system. Oil-packed versions, while perhaps more flavorful, function more like heavy fuel at about 168 calories and 7 grams of fat per serving. This difference can significantly impact your daily caloric intake, especially when managing cardiovascular health. For the nearly 2/3 of seniors managing hypertension, sodium content presents another critical consideration. A single serving of canned tuna can contain up to 300 milligrams of sodium, a substantial portion of your daily allowance, particularly if you're on a restricted sodium diet. Many seniors should aim for less than 2,300 milligrams daily, with some healthcare providers recommending even lower limits for those with heart conditions. Low-sodium options are available for those who need them. For seniors managing diabetes, canned tuna offers a distinct advantage. It contains 0 carbohydrates. This characteristic helps maintain stable blood sugar levels without requiring complex meal planning, making it excellent for those carefully monitoring glucose levels. Despite the processing it undergoes, canned tuna remains remarkably budget-friendly at just $1.12 per serving. This affordability is particularly significant for seniors on fixed incomes, providing more protein per dollar than most other animal protein sources without sacrificing nutritional quality. That economical can of tuna comes with a hidden trade-off many seniors aren't aware of. Mercury, a potent neurotoxin found in various fish, accumulates in your body far more slowly than it enters. For adults over 50, this presents a particular concern as your body's natural elimination systems become less efficient with age. The most troubling aspect: your body needs approximately 50 days just to eliminate half of the mercury you consume from tuna. Allowing this heavy metal to build up in your system with regular consumption, think of mercury like an unwanted house guest who arrives quickly but takes forever to leave. It enters the aquatic environment naturally, transforming into methylmercury in water, a form readily absorbed by fish. Tuna becomes particularly problematic through biomagnification, as these large predatory fish consume smaller mercury-containing fish, dramatically concentrating the toxin. This explains why tuna contains significantly higher mercury levels than many other seafood options. The stakes are considerably higher for seniors. Aging-related physiological changes amplify mercury's effects. Elevated exposure is associated with increased cardiovascular risks, including heart disease and stroke, conditions already more prevalent in older populations. Mercury has also been linked to accelerated cognitive decline, potentially compounding age-related memory and thinking changes many seniors already face. The mercury content varies significantly between tuna varieties. Albacore, white tuna, typically contains 3 times more mercury than light or skipjack tuna, about 0.32 parts per million compared to 0.12 parts per million. This makes your selection at the grocery store consequential for your health. The slow elimination rate creates a compounding problem, especially for seniors with compromised kidney function or those taking certain medications. Even moderate, consistent consumption can lead to substantial accumulation over months and years. The FDA has established specific guidelines to address these risks. Adults should limit albacore tuna to 1 4-ounce serving weekly, while light tuna can be consumed at 2-3 servings per week. To manage this risk, seniors can alternate between light tuna and lower mercury seafood options like salmon, pollock, or catfish, track their weekly consumption, and space out tuna meals to allow for better elimination between exposures. Before we jump to the next point, to keep this channel going, please hit the subscribe button. It truly makes a difference. Thank you. FDA restrictions on tuna consumption highlight a concerning reality, but what if you didn't need to count servings or worry about accumulation at all? The seafood aisle holds several options that deliver superior nutritional benefits for seniors with practically negligible mercury levels. Let's look at sardines first. These small fish contain a mere 0.013 parts per million of mercury. That's 25 times less than what you'd find in albacore tuna. The advantages extend well beyond safety. For seniors monitoring bone health, sardines with their edible bones provide approximately 350 milligrams of calcium per serving. That's about 1/3 of your daily requirement if you're over 50. Tuna, by comparison, offers virtually no calcium whatsoever. Canned salmon presents another excellent alternative with just 0.022 parts per million of mercury, 5 times less than light tuna. What makes salmon particularly valuable for seniors is its omega-3 content. A single serving delivers approximately 1.5 grams of these essential fatty acids, compared to just 0.3 grams in light tuna. These omega-3s actively support brain function and help combat inflammation, addressing 2 primary concerns for aging adults. The financial aspect might surprise you. While that can of tuna might seem like the budget-friendly choice, sardines often provide more omega-3s per dollar spent. This means better value for your money when considering the nutrients most critical for heart and brain health, a significant consideration for seniors managing fixed incomes. For those concerned about vitamin D, especially important for seniors who may have limited sun exposure, mackerel emerges as a standout choice. This fatty fish provides significant amounts of vitamin D, essential for both bone integrity and immune function. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight, making dietary sources increasingly important. Environmental considerations also favor these alternatives. Many sardine and mackerel fisheries have earned certification from the Marine Stewardship Council. By choosing these options, environmentally conscious seniors support healthy ocean ecosystems, while ensuring these nutritional powerhouses remain available for future generations. The seafood aisle offers multiple options that address senior-specific health concerns more effectively than tuna, without the worry of mercury accumulation. For those who still reach for that familiar can of tuna, despite these alternatives, there's a critical distinction between casual consumption and strategic selection. Research shows that seniors who follow a specific rotation system can significantly reduce their mercury exposure while still enjoying the convenience of this pantry staple. Take Martha, a 70-year-old who loves her weekly tuna sandwich. By implementing a simple rotation system, she maintained her favorite meal while safeguarding her health. This approach works because it prevents mercury from accumulating to concerning levels. The system is straightforward. Alternate between tuna and lower mercury fish options throughout the week, maintaining nutritional variety while managing risk. Next, let's explore brand selection. Companies like Safe Catch have transformed the market by testing every fish before canning. Their products contain mercury levels far below FDA standards, a crucial consideration for seniors whose bodies may be more vulnerable to mercury's effects. Another important factor involves medication interactions. If you're taking blood thinners like warfarin, consistent, moderate tuna intake helps prevent vitamin K fluctuations that could affect your medication's efficacy. Before adjusting your consumption habits, consult your healthcare provider to determine appropriate levels based on your specific health profile. For those managing hypertension, preparation methods matter significantly. A simple rinse of water-packed tuna reduces sodium content substantially. Choosing water-packed over oil-packed varieties provides additional benefits for sodium-conscious seniors while preserving nutritional value. Your preparation choices also affect nutritional benefits. Draining oil-packed tuna reduces calories but decreases beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. Water-packed options maintain more consistent omega-3 levels, particularly valuable for heart and brain health. Additionally, seeking BPA-free cans and sustainably sourced tuna enhances both safety and nutrition. The encouraging news? These strategies can be implemented immediately. Start by examining your current tuna selection. Is it albacore or light, oil-packed or water-packed? When shopping next, look specifically for brands that test for mercury and compare sodium content on labels. These simple actions transform you from a passive consumer into an informed decision-maker. As we've journeyed through the complexities of canned tuna, one truth stands clear. This isn't a simple yes or no decision. The key is personalization. What works for your neighbor may not be ideal for you. The research provides clear guidelines. Limit albacore tuna to 1 4-ounce serving weekly. Enjoy light or skipjack varieties 2-3 times weekly. Rotate seafood choices with lower mercury options like sardines and salmon. These evidence-based recommendations allow you to benefit from seafood's nutrition without concerning mercury accumulation. Take control of your health with informed decisions today. Your wellness journey awaits. Please check out our next video above. See you shortly in the next video.